In the dynamic world of Samsung smartphones, the Galaxy A55 is anticipated to take the baton from the highly regarded Galaxy A54 as the mid-range frontrunner in 2024. With the purported cancellation of the Galaxy A7X lineup, Samsung aims to maintain a clear distinction from its Fan Edition series, allowing the Galaxy A55 to shine as the apex mid-range offering. Set to inherit a design ethos akin to the Galaxy's 24 series, the Galaxy 55 might embrace the glass back panel trend. While specific details remain undisclosed as of November 21, 2020, expectations include features like water and dust resistance. What's truly stirring is the Galaxy A55's propulsion by the Exynos 1480 chipset, uniquely equipped with an AMD-powered GPU. This chipset leap promises a significant performance boost compared to its predecessors. Coupled with a potential 8GB RAM, this amalgamation might redefine the mid-range landscape. Keeping pace with its predecessor, the Galaxy A55 might retain a 5000 mAh battery supporting 25U charging and standard 5G connectivity, affirmed by existing certifications. On the optics front, mirroring the Galaxy A54, the Galaxy A55 is speculated to house a 15 primary sensor and a 12 ultra-wide lens, complemented by a 32-amp front camera. Notably, it's anticipated to run on One UI 6.1, introducing AI-enhanced features. Moreover, the Galaxy A55 could witness a substantial software lifespan, potentially qualifying for 4 Android OS upgrades, echoing Samsung's commitment to robust software support.